Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to create this hot pink eye makeup look. So I hope you like this video, and if you do like this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. We are not going to set this with powder. We will leave it tacky so that the shade we are going to use will stay there. So now I'm going to use this color and just apply it on my lid. Blend it nicely. Now I'm taking this hot pink color and just blending everything all together. And apply same shade to your lower lash line. Pink color, and I'm going to apply it on my lid. Now I'm going to apply this dark brown shade into the lid. Your lash line just to smooth it out. Pink shade on that. Now I'm going to highlight my brow bone using this shade. Light shimmer. I am applying this same golden shade to my tear tip. The liner is done. Now I'm going to apply mascara. Applying this dark brown shade to my lower lash line. So I am going to line my waterline with brown kajal. Now I am going to blend this line, kajal line, with brown color so that it stays there.